Yongte WPC Decking extrusion line combines the dual advantages of wood and plastic to create high-quality products with both wood texture and plastic performance. The equipment uses a specially designed conical twin-screw extruder, equipped with professional molds specially designed for wood-plastic materials, and online 3D embossing device, a fast cooling system, a strong force traction device, and an automatic high-speed cutting system. The production process is efficient and stable, and each link is precisely controlled, greatly improving production capacity. The products produced by Yongte machine have stable dimensions, neat cutting surfaces without burrs, realistic and vivid 3D wooden grains, and excellent product performance. Moreover, it is very environmentally friendly, effectively utilizes waste materials, and reduces resource waste. If you are paying attention to new materials and efficient production equipment, don't miss the WPC Decking extrusion line produced by Yongte. Let us unlock new opportunities in the industry together.